If your iPhone proximity sensor not working, this 5-minute solution will show you how to fix proximity sensor not working problem on iPhone. So follow these steps to fix this issue. So the first solution is restart your iPhone. A restart is sometimes all you need to get your device to function normal again. So restart your iPhone and check the issue. And the second solution is update your iOS version. Go to settings, tap on general, software update. If you see any update available, then update your iPhone to latest iOS version and then check the issue. And the next solution is reset all settings. Open your iPhone settings and tap on general. Scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix the problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.